We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother HL L3210 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter. It's a very simple process. Anybody can do it. So we're going to show you what you need to do. The first thing you want to do is make sure the printer is turned on and in full ready state. Then you're going to grab this little lever, or a little hole in the front where there's a handle. Lift the top up until it kind of clicks into its lock position. And then we're going to go ahead and remove whichever drum you're getting your error message on. So in this case we're actually getting error on our black toner, so we're going to remove our black toner and black drum. And now we need to separate the toner from the drum. So there's a little green tab on the right side of it. Go ahead and push down on that green tab and you'll lift and pull out the toner from the drum. So now that the drum's been separated from the toner, we're going to go ahead and get your new drum, get it unpacked and ready to go. And so once you have your new one ready to go, you go ahead and take your toner. You're going to install it into your new drum. There we go, until it clicks firmly into place. And you'll see at the top of the drum there's a little green tab. It's recommended anytime you change the toner or change the drum to go ahead and take that little green tab and slide it the full length of the drum, approximately 2 or 3 times, making sure that it stops at the same place that it started at. You want to make sure that you push it all the way back where there's 2 arrows pointing at each other, and that lets you know it's back where it's supposed to be. If you leave it sitting somewhere back in the middle of the drum, it's going to cause a print defect. So you want to make sure that, again, it goes right back where it's supposed to be, where there's those little arrows pointing at each other. Once your toner and drum are all prepped and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and reinstall this inside the printer. And then you can go ahead and repeat that process for any and all drums that you were getting your replace drum error message for. Then you're going to go ahead and close the top of the printer. The printer's going to take a few seconds just to go ahead and get reinitialized and ready to use. We need to wait for it to come back to a full ready state, and once it comes back to a full ready state, then we can go ahead and get rid of that error message, and so that the printer now will know that we've replaced that drum inside the printer. Because otherwise you'll continue to get that error message even though you've replaced the drum. So the printer is now back to a full ready state, so now we need to again tell it that we've replaced the drum. So what you're going to do is push the up arrow and the OK button at the same time, and when you do it, you'll notice that the word drum comes up on the screen. You're going to go ahead and hit OK, and then you're going to scroll down and find whichever color drum you just replaced. In this case it's black, and hit OK. And then what you do is hit the up arrow to reset it, or the down arrow to exit the menu. So go ahead and hit the up arrow to go ahead and replace that drum, and you just repeat that process for any and all drums that you've replaced. If you replaced more than just one drum, you just need to go through and reset each color drum individually. And once you're all done with that, then you'll be good to go. You'll successfully replace the drum and reset the drum counter for your printer. The error message should be gone off the machine. You should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.